20% ng oil ng mundo pwedeng mawala overnight. Hindi ito theory. Nangyayari na ngayon. Iran versus US tensions. Strait of Hormuz under threat. Oil supply at risk. Ang Strait of Hormuz, dito dumadaan ng halos 20% ng global oil supply. Kapag nablock yan, hindi lang oil ang tataas, pati inflation worldwide sasabay. Ngayon may nangyayari. Iran proposed a deal to reopen the strait. Pero sabay, stalled ang US-Iran talks. May blockade, may military tension. Result? Oil already jumping. Supply getting tighter. Markets getting nervous. Hindi ito simpleng news. Ito ang domino effect. Oil up, inflation up, central banks react, stocks, forex, lahat gagalaw. Habang retail busy sa entries, institutions nakafocus dito. Kasi dito nagsisimula ang trend, hindi sa chart. Kung hindi mo tinitignan ang macro, late ka na sa galaw ng market.